Are you wondering how many bank accounts you can actually open with Westpac? Maybe you're looking to better manage your money, set up specific savings goals, or even separate your personal and business finances. It's a common question, and the answer isn't as simple as just one. In fact, Westpac offers quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to the number and types of accounts you can hold. Let's break it down. When it comes to personal accounts, Westpac generally allows you to open multiple accounts. For transaction accounts, like the Westpac Choice account, you can typically open a maximum of 5 online, and this includes both single and joint accounts. If you need more than 5 transaction accounts, you'd usually need to visit a branch or contact them directly. This flexibility is great for budgeting, allowing you to allocate funds for different expenses, say, one for bills, one for everyday spending, and another for that big trip you're planning. When we talk about savings accounts, the news is even better. Westpac makes it quite clear that you can have as many savings and transaction accounts as you like. This is fantastic for those of us who love to earmark specific savings goals. Imagine having a holiday fund account, a house deposit account, and a new car account, all distinct and easily trackable within your Westpac online banking or app. Some of their savings accounts, like Westpac Life, even allow you to set up multiple savings goals within a single account, essentially creating sub-accounts for different purposes, though bonus interest might only apply to one specific life account. So, why would you want multiple accounts? Beyond the obvious budgeting benefits, having separate accounts can simplify your financial life. It can help you avoid dipping into your savings for everyday expenses, make it easier to track specific budgets, and even help you qualify for bonus interest on certain savings accounts if you meet their deposit criteria. Now, if you're a business owner, the story is a bit different, but still offers good options. Westpac provides various business accounts, such as Business One and Business One Plus. You can certainly open multiple business accounts to manage different aspects of your company's finances, perhaps one for operational expenses, another for client payments, and a separate savings account for business growth or taxes. The specific limits and types of business accounts will depend on your business structure and needs, but Westpac generally aims to provide solutions for diverse business requirements. In essence, Westpac understands that people and businesses have varied financial needs. They've designed their system to allow for a considerable degree of account segmentation, empowering you to manage your money more effectively. Whether it's for personal budgeting, targeted savings, or robust business financial management, you're not typically limited to just 1 or 2 accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.